To install GParted on the Linux operating system, that is especially the Linux Mint operating system, go to the menu, go to administration and go to the software manager. Now this is common in most of the Linux distros. Open the software manager. Type GParted. Select it. And install it. Enter your credentials. As you can see here, it's installing. It's a system package. Now you can click here and launch it, or you can go to your menu and type GParted, and there you will find it. And you can click here and you can start it.